day, and it's dry, and it's sunny, and it's bright, and it's clear, and the road's dry, and it's perfect FN2 driving time. We've got a new exhaust on my car. Maybe you've seen the video. I'm enjoying that at the moment, enjoying how it sounds. I think it's quieter, but a couple of people have mentioned to me that it probably isn't quieter. It's probably just the tone has changed. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it. It's a great bit of kit, lovely, and obviously Rich had to modify it because I'm rocking a Jap speed manifold, so I've added an extra inch. But it's all good. Yeah, loving it. So out in the Civic, gonna listen to some tunes as per usual. On the tunes list today is, of course, the Prodigy, maybe a bit of LTJ Bookham, a bit of Goldie, I think, today. So going to chill, drive, that's going to be good. Having a rest today, maybe a bit of PS5 or something like that. Yeah, but having a chilled out day today. It was a busy day yesterday. I was cold and I had lots to do. We had loads of cars turn up, which was fantastic. Many FN2s. And some amazing cars as well. We had a boosted FN2 mapped by Gordon at Street Racers, which was a great car. We had a boosted EP3, which was staggering amounts of power, and that, go check out the video to see what that made. That was also mapped by Gordon at Street Racers. Lovely car, top bloke actually, Morris. Yeah, top bloke. Really enjoyed meeting him, as I enjoyed meeting Modfix for the first time. Great FN2. Couple of modifications Modfix has got. He's got a M2 back box and he's got a Marlin ECU from Mr. Paul West. So that car obviously was a bit fruity. So he did well. Made more power than standard, of course. So he's happy. I'm sure he'll be making a video, Modfix. Hello, Modfix, if you're watching. Dazar came down in his FN2. That thing is one clean machine. Dazar's FN2 is like, I don't know, it's like so perfect for what it is. It's so nice. It's like, you know, when you play on something like, I don't know, Gran Turismo or what's the other one? Gran Turismo, Forza. Yeah, there you go, Forza, that's what I was thinking of. It's like when you play like that, you're like, I'm going to modify this car. And you know, like when sort of it's not real money, so you can just go ding, 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 and your car looks big. That's exactly what it looks like Dazar's done. He's basically seen it in his mind and then just made it happen. And it's such a clean looking car. The wheels suit it so much. Puts mine to shame. Mine was actually clean. Mine was actually clean yesterday. Gary, limited edition Gary from Dynodaze, he had spent the morning on my car. I could even see through my windscreen again. So thank you, Gary, if you're watching, for doing a great job on my car. I'm really enjoying my car again. I think, I mean, I always enjoy it, but there's you know when you've done something new and it's made an improvement and you feel good. That's sort of where I'm at with this FN2 again. And we know we're going to do some more development work on Tuesday. Richard wanted to get this car on the dyno with its new exhaust so that we had a baseline that didn't interfere with the induction kits that we're developing. These induction kits, their goal is to make power, and that's it. So we've got to get the data of the dyno before and after. The Dynodaze induction kit is going up against the CPL induction kit this week. I love my CPL induction kit, thank you, Guy. I love it. It's a great piece of kit. The car sounds immense. Can we improve on that? I don't know. Is it possible? I'm not sure, but let's find out. If we don't make any power, we're going to tell you as well, because that's what it's all about. It's no skin off our nose whether we make them or sell them or don't. It makes no difference. Definitely going to be better than the InGen kit with that 90 degree on it. So fingers crossed we make some positive improvements. What else have I got to say? I've had a good week. It's been well, it's been a bit up and down my week. Been a bit up and down, but you got to ignore the haters and you got to ignore the trolls. They won't get me down. But on a plus point, I've been speaking to Chris at Fab Motion in Llanelli in Wales, and we've got a plan. And there's going to be some nice bits of kit coming for this FN2. We think we're going to make a beautiful a beautiful manifold to compete with some other manifolds that are out there. We're going to make a 3-inch exhaust system. That's going to take a lot of work because we've got to get it right so it doesn't knock. So 3-inch exhaust system coming as well, which is going to be great. Off the shelf as well, we're going to stock this stuff because the guy Chris, he's so good at what he does, but there's only so much time of the day, so he can only make as much as he can make. So what we're going to do, or what we're suggesting, is we're going to place our orders with him in advance, in bulk. He's going to set himself a week to do whatever he needs to do, and he's going to make the stuff for us, and I'm going to have it on the shelf. Now, he already sells some fantastic stuff, so go and check out Fab Motion, because he's making EP3 manifolds, he's making Sidewinder manifolds, he's going to make me an FN2 manifold. We're going to sell them for him. We're going to sell all his kit, but you can still go and buy stuff from him, and you can turn up to his shop and get an exhaust fitted. So go and check him out. A lot of the work that he's got on there is absolutely lovely, and I think you'll like him, and I think you'll like his ethos. I think you're going to like his passion. So do go and check him out. That's Chris, and his company is Fab Motion. Go and find that. Go and find that. I'm going to go and continue to drive this car. I've got plenty of YouTube videos that I've got to pop up over the next sort of day or so. You're going to get to see the YouTube video of the EK K-swapped throttle body mapped at Dynodaze car. That car is immense. It's been a while since I've been in a car with Rich that has turned every single head, whether it was a kid doing his paper round or a 70-year-old lady walking the dog, gangs of lads. Everyone we drove past, whether they loved it or not, everyone we drove past paid attention to that car. When you see in that engine bay, you know that it's a car that needs and demands attention, and also respect. What a car it is. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, we do a lot of K-swaps at Dynodaze, and we have an attention to detail and a level of work that we want to attain and see in these cars, and that one ticked every single box. You know, that car was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And the lad, sorry, my mount's moving, the lad that owns it and his sort of mates and his team around it, such good people. So I hope they're out enjoying it today in this nice weather. But great car, great video. Check that out. I think that'll go live after this video. So if you haven't already seen it, go check it out. Great video. I'm going to go catch up on all my Cowbook and Car Diaries videos, and who else have I got to check out? FN2 Ops got a video out, I noticed, so I've got to go check that out. I was watching Expression Culture yesterday. Hello Gareth, I hope you're looking forward to what we've got planned. Me and Gareth have got a bit of a plan with his car, so there's going to be some tuning getting done there. That's going to be good. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to go drive. I'm going to go and enjoy my day, and yeah, pretty much back to work tomorrow with a full diary. Unfortunately, we are, but not unfortunately, I mean, it's great, isn't it? But we are booked up until December now. But if you just want mapping, I mean, you can always call us and we'll get you a slot where we'll slot you in somewhere. So give us a shout. Yeah, peace out, brothers and sisters. Stay safe, look after each other, be nice to each other. Speak to you all soon.
Life moves pretty fast.